30 minutes not possible. Jesus.
Check it, what will happen tomorrow. Make it, yes, check it, Calamity.
Doesn't want me to talk to anybody. No man should even approach me, you understand? Et te jure. Wait. What's that song? The smoke song. Please, excuse me, 1 minute. I'm telling you, this song, this song is so cool.
Me, by me.
Sister? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Pardon?
How you doing now?
Chidi?
I didn't see your money, that's how. You know they speak English.
Super, Chichikwa?
What's in the super toto?
Super, Chichikwa?
You know they speak
What
English.
are you saying?
Okay, I saw your money around here. I saw some money where you threw away. Some of your money.
My money?
While you were gingering yourself with call there, some money come for. And some money. This is a part of the money where you carry for your bag. Wait for. So I decided to bring them for you.
Oh, merci beaucoup. Hein? Merci.
Merci, name.
Merci.
Merci.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Comment tu es?
Comment tu t'appelles?
Comment tu parles? I don't know what I want to come out.
What's your name?
If you want to come out something for the money. Are you alright? What are you doing with this idiot? Come on to one time. Are you okay? Must you stop for everybody? Now listen, let me tell you. What are you doing with that money? What is that? Come on, give it to me. Whose money is this?
C'est mon argent. C'est tombé là-bas.
C'est ton mère. Speak English.
The money fell, right? He was struggling to get the money.
Are you a money picker? Don't you have any job to do?
Oh, God, I can't see the money fall for there. I just decided to help the girl and pick the money. As I pick the money, I tried to give him. Now you come wire me slap.
Why you go? Onto say you are a stupid idiot.
No, I said Onto waiting.
Onto said that you are a fool. Is she the only girl that have lost her money around this vicinity? Now listen, let me tell you. If they pick anything where you they pick, your mates they pick money from net. Your mates they pick money from so many businesses. You know, pick carry money. You are picking money for a yellow girl. From picking money, now get pick but into my compound and then pick her number. Before you need to the from Cameroon, bring her to Nigeria. You pick her off.
Wait. I want to understand something. You the verse say you bring them from Cameroon. I be the verse say I help and pick money.
I the verse for every of them. Both picking money, both bringing her from Cameroon. I don't want any of you Nigerian guys to near her.
Person where I just see, I decided to help. This girl begins to speak French. What did you say in French that time? What
she said you're a stupid picker. She said you're a stupid slapper.
What is wrong with you? Why you gonna slap me?
Stay away from her.
Why you gonna slap me?
Stay away from her. The next time you will stop her, even if she like, let her placenta fall to roll. No picker. No picker, let it go. Don't pick.
help me, nothing more.
I don't like this kind of help.
Baby, pardon.
You know you are new in this country. You don't know their tricks. You don't know their tricks. They are too cunning. From picking your money now, he will pick. You pick inside my house. I don't like it. You know how much I spend in flight? I pay 2 seats just for you to sit comfortably. I don't want anything to touch your back.
Pardon.
You have advised all the girls in Nigeria. Everybody's doing BBM. Now you don't leave the one that they constructed. You want to go for original thing.
Okay. You know, say you don't go slap me for. No lie you. You don't go slap me for nothing now. I just decided to help the girl pick money. You can't slap me for nothing. So you go for the strap. You go settle. You go settle. You can't just slap me now. I not go kill myself where they try to do good now. I was trying to do her good. Now good, I say make I do and there.
So why not, then you do that good, why not you pick the money, give her the money and walk away? Why introducing your name?
See when they speak French, I don't hear what she they talk. You say le pamon. I say le pamon. You carry the money, give her and walk away. That's why you slap her. The more she talk She say comment alors comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous now? Sister, wait, give me money. You go pay for that insult where you insult me. You don't slap me already. You go bring something.
They are looking for trouble.
You don't look for trouble already.
They are looking for trouble. I will give it to you. I'm a full trailer load of trouble.
Now we get this.
Don't look at me as if say I dress like this. You can't look like say me I be gentle person. I'm not be na old man blood dey my body.
Now me dress gentle now.
Na old man blood na into my body. If I change them for you, no go like it.
You don't buy market. You don't go slap. You don't go slap. Listen, Papa. You know the para go where?
Please, sir.
Please, sir. I got papa here.
You slap or you slap me now the girl I go slap.
You will do.
I go slap am the girl.
Tu me gifler? Tu me gifler?
Tu me souffler? Tu me souffler for here.
Tu n'aimes pas fou.
Gifle-moi non.
Gifle-moi non, si on est Maggi.
Because this girl na fine girl. Now because you're not fine girl.
No, gifle-moi. You want to slap me, Abi? Slap.
Don't worry.
You say you go to the next slap where you touch me again. Idiot. You dey turn, you want look your mama nyash. Can't look nyash. Can't hit the pick, you go pick money where touch me, I can't come now. It's flame man. Therefore incarnate. You say fine girl, you pick him money. You send my money for now, you go take a run. You are a devil incarnate. Sevele on point. Don't mind them. Shake the thing for me. Shake it. Shake it. What the meaning is not what
Jesus.
Shake it. What will happen tomorrow? Make it. Yes, shake it. Almighty. Anything will happen tomorrow. Make it. He will hear your life. Yes.